Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is a very important special message to all the people who are listening, Muslim and not. It's very important to actually speak up against any banning, any condemning, any bashing of Muslim groups. This is the first time in history of the world during these past 75 years that masses, Muslim and non-Muslim masses, are speaking against the plight of Palestinian people. And the world is coming together, the world is gathering, and the masses are speaking against this genocide in Gaza. And Muslims are being condemned more because this is against Muslimin, and in Gaza Muslims are being killed, tortured, murdered, and there is no voice for them. And this is exactly why the world thought, this is high time. Now we have to become the voice of Muslimin. We have to become the voice of the people in Gaza. And we have to speak up because they completely get destroyed and wiped off from this earth. So right now, the important need for us is to speak against any injustice. Most recently, I saw the tweet from Dr. Umar Suleiman talking against the Home Office ban to Hizb-ut-Tahrir as terror group. In UK, they're actually condemning, they're actually labeling a Muslim group, non-violent Muslim group. They didn't do anything, they didn't cause any disruption to the justice, to the law or anything. And I am not Hizb-ut-Tahrir. If you're not Hizb-ut-Tahrir, if you are Hizb-ut-Tahrir, the message is for you, all of you, that we need to speak up against this banning. We need to speak up against this, alienating of Muslim groups, any Muslim group. It could be them today and it could be you tomorrow. So remember this, if you're not speaking up for justice for everybody, then you're not speaking up for justice anyways. So we need to understand that it's important to speak up against this unlawful, wrong, bashing of any Muslim group. Anywhere in the world, there have been Muslim movements, there have been peaceful Muslim groups, and not every Muslim group, guys, remember that not every Muslim group should be targeted as a terrorist. And this is important to understand. This Home Office ban, if I read the news correctly, Home Office to ban Hizb-ut-Tahrir as a terror group. Why? We need to understand, in the words of Dr. Umar Suleiman, we must unite and challenge this. No matter what your opinion is about Hizb-ut-Tahrir or their leadership or their conduct, speak up against this. This ban is unfair and unjust. We need to say, we need to understand that once any government targets one group, non-violent movement, or any kind of a group that actually is presenting, prescribing, or encouraging Muslimin to unite, will be targeted by the government. And these very Western government who actually speak so loud about justice, peace, fairness, and everything. This Gaza genocide has actually literally uncovered their faces, their true faces. The hypocrites and the people who are actually not speaking up or not speaking against this ban of a Muslim group are hypocrites themselves. Please remember that if it comes to you for today, it comes to them today, it could come to you. So remember, just because the fire hasn't reached your home, that doesn't mean the fire is not happening. It will reach your home if you stayed quiet. If you did not extinguish the fire, it will come to you tomorrow. So if you are a champion of justice, you're a champion of fairness, you believe in human rights, you believe in rights for all, equal rights for all, please speak up against this ban. Reach out to your local leadership, reach out to your local governments, reach out to your local political parties, political affiliates, political candidates, and political officials, and tell them to question the UK government against this ban. It's important that we do that, because if it comes to them today, there will be no end if it stayed quiet, because this is how the injustice spreads. Injustice against somebody, we stay quiet, and then tomorrow, before you know it, comes to your door. And then guess what? Everybody else will be quiet because you stayed quiet for other people, right? If you can, Google the 3 oxes story and you will understand. Spread this message, inshallah. I will post it after I finish this live. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.